Welcome back to another edition of Tile Time. I'm your host, Bo Daniels, on behalf of Twin Cities Tile and Grout Professionals. So we're back here in the bathroom remodel from earlier or later last year. And so just to kind of remind everybody what was going on here. So this house was built in 1964. The tub behind me here and the toilet they both stayed in the same place. This used to be just a single sink, and now it's a double sink. And the tub itself has actually been resurfaced as well. I'll show you that here in a little bit. And the electrical has been updated, so the lights above the vanity here. The plumbing has been updated inside the shower. Obviously the plumbing at the sinks as well. Toilet was just taken out and replaced and put back, so that's the same toilet. And then now we're going to move on to showing you the floor tile and the tile inside the shower.